Hello, this is our daughter's 2015 Mazda CX-5, and it's a base model, has cloth seats, and Coverado was nice enough to send us some seat covers, so we're going to install those today. So this car just has the regular black fabric seats, so this is what it looks like right now. And then this is what we received today, and I just cut this one flap open. It arrives like this, and it comes in this, there's a bag inside. So it comes in this bag with handles, Coverado Automotive Supplier. So it's got a zipper bag on it. Gonna see what these look like. They look very nice. They have all sorts of different color combinations, and this is a black and blue our daughter picked out. She really liked this. Looks like it's got the two front seats in this packet, so they got one inside the other. So there's a front seat, and then this might be a center console maybe, or a headrest. These are the headrests. So you got the two headrests and the two front seats, it looks like. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna see how we install these. So we got the two front seats, the two headrests. We have this packet here with a few of these black pieces like this. Gonna find out what those are for. And we have some of these metal clasps like that. So several of each in this bag. And then we have this little pamphlet that says Coverado Seat Cover Installation. A lot of vehicles are different, but on this vehicle, there's an indentation button right here. So you push in on this right here, and then the headrest comes up and out like that. While I have the headrest in my hand, I'm just going to go ahead and do it, because this part is on its own. So this is the front of the headrest right here. So this is the front of our headrest. I'm just going to put it up like that. And then I take this and put it in between the two bars. And I'm going to tuck this in as tight as I can tuck it. And then let the Velcro attach to that, and that's it. So that's how easy the headrest is, and we'll just lay that aside. So now I'm gonna take our seat cover. These are very nice. They just look good, they feel good. Got a little pocket for the back seat. Okay, so yeah, what we have here are the two top pieces, and then here are the two bottom pieces. So there's a top and a bottom and a headrest. So we'll put this top piece on first. So all we do here is put it on. I'm going to do it from the back seat. I think I can get a better, that way you can kind of see it. And just going to sit in the back seat and kind of put it on like a shirt. Just kind of sliding it over. So it's starting to tuck into itself. So I need to just kind of grab it and make sure that it's not folded over itself as I go down. And then you can kind of tell where your headrest is to kind of center this, and then I want to kind of snap these buttons in place, these little snaps. So just kind of snap those in place. Now I think what I'm gonna do, just so this doesn't move around on me, I'm gonna go ahead and just put my headrest in, because it'll help hold that in place. So by having the headrest in there, it kind of keeps this where it needs to as we're installing the rest of it, so it doesn't move. I'm gonna have to hit this button again to put this down in there. Okay. Okay. So there's that. Now I gotta come in the front and push there's some straps on the bottom of this right here. There's 3 straps, and I want to poke those through to the back seat. So I'm just gonna kind of try to poke them through, which is easy. It's just I gotta grab them from the back side and put these plastic clips on. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these plastic clips. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They might have given me 1 extra. So I'm gonna grab 3. And then back here, I'm gonna see if they poke through or not. I feel one, but that's on here. So let's see. I can feel one there. So I grab this strap that I poked through from the front, and so I'm going to take this plastic thing and I'm going to put it through like this, like that. I got 2 more straps from the front. So now I got the middle one. So I was able just to kind of reach in there and grab them. So the main thing is the front ones, because this keeps them from going back through by like staying right there. So now I can grab them easily. So I got 1 more I gotta find. Okay. See, I couldn't quite get it, but I could reach around to the front and push it back through to myself again. So I'm just able to wrap it around that plastic piece. And now all 3 of my plastic pieces. Let me grab a light. Can you hand me that headlight? Let me just kind of show you. I know you can't see there, but the black plastic pieces we just did. You probably can't see them because they're all the way down here. But basically, all 3 of them just have a strap wrapped around them like that, and they snap up against the back of the seat. All it does is prevents it from going back through, so that the seat cover will stay in place without moving. So so we got the headrest done, and the front 3 straps that we push through are done. So what we have to look at is these 2 straps in the back. So we put the piece over like a shirt. We did our snaps, and we put those 3 straps. They're showing where you can actually put the plastic pieces on first and then feed them through. That's probably a little easier. We'll try that on the passenger side. And so that's where they're at. I'm seeing there's one of those back straps. They're showing that they loop it around there. So that's what they're showing, is that they loop it around there. So like on the front strap, they go on like this, okay? So it's on there really secure. And then you shove that through, and then the back strap, so this will be sitting behind the seat like that, then the back strap just goes on like that. So that's how it's happening in there. And so like on this seat, when we do it, we'll go ahead and just put all these on ahead of time, and then we'll push them through instead of trying to do it from the back seat. Alright, so this part is the part you sit on. This would be in the front. So the part in the front has these straps, and on those straps, that's where these clips come in. So we're gonna have to find something under the seat to clip that to. So if you picture that this is going to be sitting in the car like this, that means that I'm going to want this to be coming down and attached like that, with the clip going back where it can come under the seat and latch to something. So this is broke in the middle, so I just want to put a little force on that, enough to separate it where I can get this strap in there. We're gonna set the camera down, and I'm gonna separate it and let my wife put this in there. Okay, so that worked. We just, I just pinched those while my wife put this through, and so we have our clips on the front, and then on the back they have these adjustable plastic hooks, so we want to unhook those, so that'll go towards the back side. Alright, so we're going to slip these on there. Alright, so look like you had some adjustment on these right here if you need it. So this vehicle didn't have a lot of clearance between the center console and that. I'm gonna have to probably grab that last. This I'm gonna tuck through the back, straight back. This I'll tuck through the back, straight back. And then these all end up coming around the outside of the seat. Meanwhile, in the front, I'm gonna be looking for spots underneath the seat for me to reach back and clip these clips on. I definitely think it was a good move to put the clips on before we got in this position. It's not only finding a hole that will work, but one that's kind of in the right spot to put the right amount of tension on, because you want them to be on pretty solid. So I think I got something that feels pretty good. And I don't have the back yet, so I'm gonna get the back figured out, and then I think I'll be happy with where I clipped that in the front. So from the back seat, I might need you to hand me these, but I'm gonna be able to reach in and grab this one. If I ask for this one, it's sitting right here, and I'm gonna need it right back through here. But let me sit in the back here. Grab this one I can see. So I got that, and then I'm going to look for where I shoved it through. Okay, found it. Alright, so now it should be, it's a little hard, and that's good because I want these to have some tension on there. So I was able to find that. I was able to get some tension on that one without adjusting the plastic. So now I'm trying to find my other one that I shoved through. Thought I shoved through. Not finding it easily. There it is, I found it. So now I got that. Now I gotta, this is the narrow passage that I'm gonna need to probably set the camera down and fish that through there for me. Okay, so we got it. Those were the tightest ones, but I'm kind of glad that they were a little difficult. They were tight because that will help keep it from moving. And so now that we got all that on, just kind of check my final fitment here where got the seat belt. I want to tuck it down where, you know, it's inside the seat belt. I got some good tension in the front. It's a really nice fitment from side to side where it looks like it fits the seat. Really soft. And they have a lot of neat color combinations you can check out. So anyway, that's how you do it. So the only thing we're going to do different on the passenger side, we won't video that as well because it's going to be the same. The only difference we're going to do, we already showed you, where we already have our 3 big plastic clips installed. So when we push them through, they're going to be much easier to find and be in place already. And other than that, this worked perfect. So I think my daughter's going to be very pleased with it. And so check the links in the video description for links to this product. And I'm very pleased with it. Very pleased with the look and the feel. I'll sit in it, see how it feels. Very nice. Feels very soft and very high quality. So this is just the 2 front seat covers. You can also get seat covers for the back seats, of course. Alright, so this is the finished product. These seat covers look great. Thank you for watching.